You buy the Costco-sized salmon to get your omega-3s in, only to find that your family can't eat the whole fish. Well, don't just Tupperware those leftovers. Refresh your fish into a delicious new dish. Dr. Seuss would be so proud of me right now. All week long, we are giving leftovers a makeover. Marguerite Henderson joining me today in the kitchen to add her voice and her talent to our series. It's so great to see you.
Good to see you
Marguerite
again.
just brings a way about her. You do. We all just feel like our elevated selves around
Well,
you.
you get fed afterwards.
And there's that. And there's that. We tend to think fish is best served fresh, but you're going to prove that wrong.
Well, so you buy your fresh salmon side.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one that I bought from Costco was 3 pounds. Okay, that's a good sized salmon.
Yeah.
Okay. It was, I think, $36. So it's about $12 a pound. Okay. So you're not going to eat it all unless you're serving 12 people.
Yeah.
You know, right?
Yeah.
So if you do cook up maybe half of it, you're going to have, you know, some salmon fillets, maybe like this. So this is sauteed with a little bit of spice on top, some dill, and then you can just put a little sauce on top of that.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay, then you've got some more left over, and then you're going to make the salad. Now this can serve, I don't know, 8 people?
That is
you know?
beautiful. What's on that plate?
So it's called salad niçoise. I'm going to just take this off so it doesn't get too hot.
Okay.
Salad niçoise. It's the same pieces of salmon. And then it's the salad from Nice, France. So it always has potatoes, asparagus, green beans, and
I see
eggs.
olives?
And olives. And then you make a vinaigrette.
Oh.
So you make it ahead of time. And I keep mine in my little refrigerator in a jar.
What's in that?
So it's got capers and red wine vinegar and lemon juice, olive
My
oil.
goodness. Is anyone else salivating? Just me? I'm doing the with
I
my
know,
mouth.
look how pretty that is.
Gorgeous.
So you eat with your eyes, and if you don't want to eat this, I don't know what's wrong with you. So,
I wasn't sure where you were going with that, if you don't want to eat this, but that was the right place to go. Because who doesn't want to eat that?
try to keep it,
Yeah.
family friendly. So,
Another reason why we love her.
anyway, and then when you have some more leftovers, so let's say you have more of that, we're making a salmon cake. So
What?
like a crab cake, but it's only a salmon
Now,
cake.
I order those at restaurants. I have never, ever, or would I ever think to attempt that in my own kitchen.
Well, here they are.
They're
and then you
beautiful.
can make salmon sandwiches with them. You can
Okay.
serve them as a side dish.
Okay, teach
and
us.
and then, so this is just salmon that looked like that before, and then you mix it with some mayonnaise, some cream cheese, believe it or not, some dill, some onions, some red peppers.
Okay.
You form it into a little ball.
Little patty.
Yeah, and then make it as big as you want. You can make them as small as you can make them as an appetizer and make them a little bit smaller.
And how did
right?
you get the salmon so fine? Just a little mix?
You know, I just use my hands. So
okay,
I just
yeah.
mix it up. And
All
then,
right.
so it goes
I could
right
do
in.
this.
You could do this.
Hold on.
And then you let it brown on both sides. Yeah, thank you. And then you have this wonderful mayonnaise. It's an aioli, sort of. An aioli is like a garlic-based mayonnaise.
Yeah, but it's more fun when we call it an
Called an
aioli.
aioli, right?
Please pass the aioli.
And then you take it and you just put it on your
This looks amazing.
prepared, just kind of dress it up.
I do love how Marguerite always dresses the plate. I mean, we're over the top today with these darling pansies, but dressing the
They're
plate before
from my garden this morning.
Of course they are, you lovely
So,
show off.
Anyway, so
But look at the leaf lettuce and the
I know
herbs.
And that, I have to say, is from my neighbor's garden. She just picks them for me.
Oh my goodness.
I know. I have the best neighbors.
You do, but to serve the plate like that instantly elevates the entire
I know,
meal.
right? So then you could put this on a hamburger bun or
Yes.
whatever. Just serve it warm. Little mini ones. I like to serve. I make it with crab, but crab right now is like ridiculously expensive.
right.
$30 a pound. But you can make it with salmon. You could also make it with cod. You could make it with swordfish. You can make it tilapia if you want to go cheap.
Did you say how long it takes to cook? Because I worry about
So,
overcooking
okay, so
salmon.
maybe as soon as it starts to brown,
Okay. Few minutes each side?
probably 3 minutes per
Okay,
side.
all right.
And it's not very long. So you're getting 3 meals from one side of salmon that
Yes.
costs you $36.
Yes.
You could feed
Your
I don't know,
family.
family 3 nights, not 3 nights in a row. I mean, they're
Gotta
gonna
spread
say-
it out.
Yeah, they're gonna say, oh my God, salmon again.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
But what you want to do is take the salmon. You could freeze it once you've cooked it and
Really?
freeze it. Yeah.
And then what do I do with it to?
Just defrost it and put it outside. Outside.
I freeze it cooked.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh.
Or cut it up into smaller portions and freeze each portion separately.
Okay, look at you.
But I would say buy a side of salmon and utilize it to the best that you can. And,
Yes.
you know, you have 3 dishes and...
For some grocery budgets, that is a splurge, but the way you've broken it up here and spread it out over the week in multiple dishes makes it more economical.
I just want to show you these.
What?
These little tomatoes. They're called sprinkles.
Stop it. Adorable.
Are these the cutest? So they're right on there.
Listen, salmon with sprinkles?
Yes. Tell your kids, we're having salmon with sprinkles.
There would be a mutiny. No, they would expect. Where did you get these?
Trader Joe's.
Teeny tiny tomatoes, sprinkles.
Yes, sprinkles.
So
and
cute.
then I made my own pickled onions. And if you're on Instagram, on Mangiabene801, the recipe for this is so easy. It's just 2 onions and then some vinegar.
You'll
and
teach us.
Yeah, it's just in a couple of mason jars.
We will link you over to Marguerite's Instagram so you can learn how to make her pickled red onions and also see a recap of
But
these
look
delicious.
how pretty.
It's
and if
gorgeous.
you don't have pickled ones, just use fresh red onions. I always put that on salad as well.
Use what you have, she
But-
says. Permission granted from the Queen. Thank you. Happy spring.
Yeah,
You loving it?
I'm loving it.
Okay, we're loving it too. Now that you're here, so you can go to the website to get today's recipes as well, and also that link to Marguerite's Instagram that I promised, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab. We hope it's a go-to resource for you come dinner time and beyond. Salmon with sprinkles. You saw it here.